All right, so let's talk about spawning in items at runtime here. So maybe you have an enemy that you want to spawn in. Maybe you have a certain item that the player, they broke a crate and now it's on the ground. You want to spawn it in at runtime here. So it's not currently in scene here. We're going to use some stuff through scripts here to instantiate, and that's kind of like the magic word here. How we instantiate something at runtime, okay? The first thing I want to do is I want to build this item. This way I can kind of spawn it in, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and right click here. I'm going to go to create empty here. I'm sorry, 2D object. And let's find a sprite. And let's go to a square sprite, okay? And let's just name this something like anime. And the reason why I say anime is because I have an anime picture right here, okay? Just a random picture that I had. Let's go ahead and bring this down a little bit more here. Cool. And let's make the position 0, 0. And just so we're at whole number 0, we're going to make this 0.25, 0.25, 0.25. Now, since we're working in a 2D game space here, the Z doesn't matter too much. We'll talk about that more in a second here, but really the Z doesn't matter, okay? And this looks pretty good from here. So now what I want to do here is I'm going to go ahead and go to create a folder from here, and we're going to call this prefabs, okay? So as of now here, this game object, if I was to delete this from scene here, all the information would be lost, okay? All that we currently have is a picture. So if I had other behaviors on this game object here, maybe I had some type of class holding information, or maybe I had some type of script counting different hits or stuff like that, or maybe I wanted to do different behaviors at runtime here, how would I keep this game object? Well, I keep it by making it a prefab. How do I make a prefab? I'm going to drag it down right into the prefabs folder. And you'll see this turns blue from here. So now what I can do is I can remove this from scene here, and I still have this ready to go, okay? Let's go ahead and save this here. And now what I want to do here is I'm going to open up the script from here, and the script is completely blank here. I'm going to hook up a start method from here, and let's go ahead at the very top here. Let's say public. I'm going to declare one public variable here. We're going to say public. I'll type game object here, and let's call this anime snow or something like that, all right? Let's go ahead and save this here. So I said before that magic word is instantiate. So let's say instantiate, and we're going to say anime snow. I guess anime snow girl might be more appropriate, but whatever. Let's say new vector 3. I'm going to come back to vector 3 in a second here. 0, 0, 0. And now we're going to say quaternion dot identity. Okay. Let's go ahead and save this here. Now let's go back to our Unity project. And then what we're going to do from here, we're going to attach the script onto something in scene here. This way the script is called at runtime, okay? So I'm going to drag this on the camera. That's okay for right now here. Go ahead and save the scene once more. And let's go ahead and drag not the image, but the prefab onto this script from there, okay? Right there, cool. And now let's save this here. Let's hit start and let's see what happens. So now we can see that this spawned at runtime. Before it wasn't in scene here, but because of that script behavior, that's how it spawned. That's instantiated in scene here. Now I said I was going to come back to this vector 3 thing here. I'm sorry, I stopped it there. Probably shouldn't have. If I go to this object from here, you'll see 0, 0, 0. If I go to my script from here and I start to mess with some of these numbers here, I can spawn this game object at different positions here. Let's go 2 and 2. Now, since we're dealing with a 2D game world here, that third number is for the Z. That really doesn't matter right now, okay? And let's go to our Unity here. And that's saved. And let's go ahead and hit play. And that's how we can move this game object around a little bit when it spawns, okay? So guys, great job in this video. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below here. If you guys really enjoyed it, please check out my Udemy courses. Links in the description down below. You guys did fantastic, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy.